Jai Hind. Myself, Senior Under Officer Nivya Kappa, 1 Arunachal Pradesh Battalion NCC, Naharlagan, Tejpur Group. Here, I will be sharing some brief on Quiet India Movement or the last revolt of Indian independence. The Quiet India Movement, also known as the August Movement, was a movement launched at the Bombay session of Indian Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end to British rule in India. In August 1942, Gandhiji started the Quiet India movement and decided to launch a mass civil disobedience movement, Do or Die, called to force the British to leave India in 1942. Its slogan was, "Let every Indian consider himself to be a free man." So that the Quiet India movement was launched by the Indian Congress Committee headed by the Gandhi and Nehru. When Gandhi and many Congress leaders were arrested by the British government, it boosted Indian public to revolt more strongly. Mass number of public were gathered in road and revolt against British India, which led to Indian independence later on. It was a great success by Mahatma Gandhi. The next day, Gandhi, Nehru and many other leaders of the Indian National Congress were arrested by the British government. Disorderly and non-violent demonstration took all over India. By the mid of 1942, Japanese troops were approaching the borders of India. Pressure was mounting from China, the United States and Britain to solve the issue of future status of India before the end of war, which was a great moment to launch the Quiet India movement and to suppress and pressurize the British government while Great Britain was fighting along the eastern and western front. So Gandhiji took this opportunity and launched Quiet India movement, which was a great success. People involved in Quiet India movement are Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Ashok Mehta, Jaya Prakash Narayan, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Chakrabarti Rajagopalacharya was the member. When Gandhi and many Congress leaders were arrested by the British government, it boosted Indian public to revolt more strongly. Mass number of public were gathered in road and revolt against British India, which led to Indian independence later on. It was a great success by Mahatma Gandhi.